Welcome to my channel. My name is Baba Singh, and today marks the beginning of something powerful. Our brand new DevOps interview question series. This is round 1, the very first step on a journey that could shape your career. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up for your next big opportunity, this series is designed to equip you with practical, structured, and deeply relevant DevOps knowledge. I've carefully organized the questions in a logical flow, so even if you're just starting out, you'll build a strong foundation step by step. We're not just talking theory, we're diving into the kind of questions that actually show up in real interviews. And yes, this is just the beginning. I'll be sharing more videos in this series, all packed with clarity, confidence, and experience-based answers. Because I truly believe, when you're prepared, you're unstoppable. So let's rise above hesitation, learn with intention, and take that one step closer to your goals. Alright guys, let's begin our DevOps question series.
So Guy's question is, what is DevOps? And answer is, DevOps equals dev plus ops working together means it's all about automation, collaboration, and continuous delivery for faster, safer software releases.
If we talk in short, then it includes 1. Planning, 2nd development, 3rd build, 4. Testing, release 5. Deploy 6. 7. Operate, 8. Monitor and feedback setup. This continuous loop helps teams ship better software with more confidence in less time. That's the power of DevOps. It's not just a process, it's a mindset that drives modern software delivery forward. Let's move to our next question. What are the tools used in DevOps? Now this is one of the most commonly asked questions in DevOps interviews. DevOps relies on a range of powerful tools that automate, integrate, and streamline the software delivery process, from coding to deployment and monitoring. All right, so guys, here we have to list which tools are used in DevOps. There are many tools available in DevOps, but most popular tools are listed below. Git or GitHub or GitLab. For version control, Jenkins or GitLab CI or Circle CI for CI/CD. Ansible or Puppet or Chef for configuration management. Docker for containerization. Kubernetes for orchestration. Prometheus Grafana ELK, Stack for monitoring. AWS Azure GCP for cloud platforms. Terraform or CloudFormation for IAC, infrastructure as code. Each of these tools plays a specific role in making DevOps workflows faster, more reliable, and highly automated. All right, let's move on to a fundamental question. What is CI/CD in DevOps? It's one of the core concepts you need to understand, because CI/CD forms the backbone of automation, speed, and reliability in modern software delivery. So CI/CD in DevOps stands for continuous integration and continuous delivery deployment. It automates the process of integrating code, testing, and deploying it to production, making software delivery faster, more reliable, and efficient. So remember, CI/CD isn't just a pipeline. It's a mindset. It's about delivering code faster, safer, and with confidence. One commit at a time. Let's dive into our next question. What are the tools used in CI/CD? CI/CD, or continuous integration and continuous delivery, relies on a variety of tools that help automate building, testing, and deploying code, all with speed and precision. So guys, here we have to list which tools are used in CI/CD. These tools automate the process of building, testing, and deploying applications. So the tools are: Jenkins is the open-source automation server for building pipelines. GitLab CI/CD is the integrated CI/CD within GitLab repositories. GitHub Actions automates the workflows inside GitHub. Circle CI is a fast, cloud-based CI/CD tool. Travis CI is popular with open-source projects. So to sum it up, the right CI/CD tools help you build faster, test smarter, and deploy with confidence. Choosing the right tools isn't just about automation. It's about empowering your team to deliver better software every single time. Let's clear up one of the most common points of confusion in DevOps. What's the difference between continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment? They may sound similar, but each one plays a unique role in modern software delivery. Continuous integration, or CI, here, frequent code merge and automated tests will happen, but nothing will be deployed to production environment. Continuous delivery. This is not fully automated. Here, manual intervention is required to deploy code to production. A merge request is waiting for approval for deploying. To production is also a manual intervention. Continuous deployment. This is fully automated. Here, once code is automatically tested and it gets automatically deployed to production environment without any manual intervention. Understanding the difference isn't just technical. It's what helps teams move faster, safer, and smarter. Let's move to another important concept in DevOps. What is configuration management? It's the backbone of system consistency and reliability, especially when you're deploying across multiple environments and servers. Configuration management is a systematic process in DevOps that helps us to manage and maintain the consistency of software and infrastructure configurations across environments. So now a question will come to our mind. Why should we use this? So the reason for this is that it ensures consistency and stability. It automates infrastructure setup. It reduces configuration drift. It will speed up deployments. It will also improve reliability and scalability. So in a nutshell, configuration management ensures that your infrastructure is consistent, repeatable, and easy to manage. In DevOps, it's what turns chaos into control and gives teams the power to scale with confidence. Now let's talk about the tools that make infrastructure automation possible. What are the tools used in configuration management and infrastructure as code, or IAC? These tools help you define, manage, and provision infrastructure through code, making deployments faster, scalable, and consistent. These tools are used to manage servers, VMs, and cloud infrastructure using code. So the tools are: Ansible is simple, agentless configuration management tool. Terraform is declarative IAC for provisioning cloud infrastructure. Puppet is enterprise-grade configuration automation tool. Chef is powerful configuration automation tool. So in short, tools like Ansible, Puppet, Chef, Terraform bring structure, speed, and version control to infrastructure. In DevOps, they're not just tools. They're the foundation of reliability, repeatability, and true automation. Let's move to next question, which is one of the core pillars of modern DevOps. What are the tools used in containerization and orchestration? These tools help package applications into lightweight, portable containers and manage them efficiently across clusters at scale. These tools are used for creating, managing, and scaling containers. Docker creates portable, lightweight containers. Kubernetes orchestrates containers at scale. Helm is a package manager for Kubernetes apps. Docker Compose manages multi-container Docker applications. Together they bring agility, consistency, and control to cloud-native deployments. Let's talk about the engines that power most modern DevOps workflows. What are the tools used in cloud platforms and DevOps services? These platforms provide the infrastructure, automation, and built-in services teams need to deploy, scale, and manage applications in the cloud. Cloud providers and their associated DevOps services are listed below. AWS offers DevOps services like Code Build, Code Deploy, CloudFormation, EKS, etc. Azure offers Azure DevOps, pipelines, AKS, etc. Google Cloud offers Cloud Build, GKE, Deployment Manager, etc. So in a nutshell, whether it's AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, each platform offers its own set of DevOps services, from CI/CD and monitoring to infrastructure as code and container management. Choosing the right cloud tools is all about matching your workflow to the platform that helps you move faster, stay secure, and scale smarter. Now let's explore a critical phase of the DevOps lifecycle. What are the tools used in testing and quality assurance? Because no matter how fast you deliver, quality is what truly defines success. And that's where the right testing tools come in. And the tools are: Selenium is a browser-based UI testing tool. Cypress is a front-end end-to-end testing tool. Junit, PyTest, Mocha are unit testing tool for Java, Python, JavaScript. SonarQube is a continuous code quality analysis tool. So to wrap it up, tools like Selenium, Cypress, Junit, PyTest, Mocha, SonarQube help automate testing at every level, from unit tests to end-to-end validation. In DevOps, testing and QA aren't just checkpoints, they're your safety net for every release. Let's take on another common interview question. What are the tools used in monitoring and logging? This question is all about how well you understand system visibility, performance tracking, and incident response in a DevOps environment. And the tools are: Prometheus is a time series monitoring system. Grafana provides beautiful dashboards for Prometheus metrics. ELK Stack includes Elasticsearch. Logstash, Kibana for centralized logging. Datadog provides cloud monitoring and analytics. Nagios is an infrastructure monitoring tool. So in short, tools like Prometheus, Grafana, ELK Stack, Datadog, and Nagios help teams monitor metrics, analyze logs, and detect issues proactively. In interviews, mentioning how these tools fit into real-time alerting and post-deployment analysis can really show your practical DevOps knowledge. Here's another important and frequently asked interview question. What are the tools used in version control? Version control is the foundation of modern development and collaboration, and interviewers want to know how familiar you are with the tools that manage code changes effectively. These tools are fundamental for collaboration and CI/CD, and the tools are: Git is a distributed version control system tool. GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. These are hosting and collaboration platforms for Git. To wrap it up, tools like Git, GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket allow teams to track changes, collaborate on code, and manage version history with precision. Mentioning how you've used these tools in real projects can show not just your technical knowledge, but your experience in real-world DevOps workflows. Here's a concept-based interview question that often checks your understanding of DevOps culture. Do you know what is CAMS in DevOps? No? All right, let me tell you. CAMS is a simple but powerful acronym that represents the core principles behind successful DevOps practices. So CAMS in DevOps stands for Culture, Automation, Measurement, Sharing. Finally, CAMS represents the core values or principles that drive successful DevOps practices. So to summarize, these 4 pillars define how DevOps teams build trust, move faster, and continuously improve, not just through tools, but through mindset and collaboration. Let's tackle another high-value interview question. Do you know what are the 3 important DevOps KP is? Yes, the 3 important DevOps KP is key performance indicators are: first, deployment frequency means more and more development in less time. Second, lead time for changes means making more and more changes and deploying in less time. 3, change failure rate means no failure at all or less number of failures for development and deployment. Knowing these metrics and being able to explain how you've improved them shows you don't just understand DevOps, you know how to measure its success. And that wraps up round 1 of our DevOps interview question series. I hope you found the questions insightful and the explanations helpful, whether you're preparing for interviews or just strengthening your DevOps fundamentals. There's a lot more to cover, and we're just getting started. In round 2, we'll dive into even more DevOps interview questions. So stay tuned, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching DevOps by Bawasi. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DevOps and real-world how-to content. Until next time, keep learning, keep deploying.